Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Handtech Markets for Tuesday the 1st of July. I'm going to look at cable now for sterling dollar, and what a breakout again on cable. This is over the course of the last year. You would certainly argue that you're sort of now trading in this big uptrend channel, and it continues to break higher. I've gone this far out because this is where you start to bring in the 50% retracement of the massive, almighty correction that we saw from November 2007 down to January 2009. And that 50% retracement is, to be honest, the only real resistance you can really work with at these sort of breakout levels, and that comes in at 73.29. And I'll very quickly zoom out and tell you and show you why. Because you've got God, this is the big move, and you've seen this breakout. You're back into the realms of that October 2008 as the only real resistance to play with, and to be honest, back then cable was flying around by 200 pips a day, so in the height of the financial crisis. So you can't really, I don't think, use that as resistance. So you've got to work with, I think, this 50% retracement of the big sell-off, and that comes in at 73.29. So that's the only real resistance I think you can really work with, other than maybe the top of this trend channel that comes in at 72.24. Again, significantly higher than where we are at the moment. But to be honest, I mean, you continue to break out, so you'd now be using that old resistance of 70.62 as the base of support. And if you check on the intraday chart, you'll see that in more detail. That old resistance hitting around 70.50 to 70.60 is now the base of support. Again, also $1.70 will be a base of support as well, so maybe a few levels to work with on the downside. But certainly this outlook is incredibly positive still on cable. Overstretched slightly on the daily chart, so that might reduce the upside potential to a certain extent and induce a little bit of a correction, which would be seen as a buying opportunity, you would certainly argue. But at the moment, very strong on cable. We're waiting for the next few minutes on the UK PMI, which is set at 56.8. Is the expectation. Any beat of that will certainly help cable higher. And then obviously the ISM number in the afternoon, 55.8 is the expectation there. And again, that we could have an impact on the chart. But until these figures come out, then we are just going to see what happens. So I'll wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later. Thank you.